What's up guys, it's Desert Bug out here again with another video. This one is the Mauser C96 miniature. I don't know what brand this is, but if you've been out there hunting for a little 2.05 scale miniatures, you've probably seen these on some of the websites. So this one, it's pretty cool. It's solid. It's kind of got a darker chrome finish and has the Mauser logo or branding here, plastic grips. The rest of it's all metal. There's some more markings there. And this one comes with the short mag, a couple of dummy rounds, and a long mag. Oops. Like that. So it doesn't shell eject, but you can cock it and pull the trigger. So it's still pretty cool, even though it doesn't shell eject. Let's see. And it's got this little sight that you can put up, and you can take it apart, but I'm not going to, because when I got it, it wasn't assembled, and it was a pain in the butt to figure out how to put it back together, especially right here. So the top part wasn't too hard to figure out, but this part right here. So I don't want to take it apart again. It just was a pain in the butt. Springs flying everywhere. So if you have one, if it's already put together, I wouldn't suggest pulling it apart, unless you're some kind of expert or something, and you really you have some expertise. But anyhow, Mauser C96, pretty cool. I like it. I would recommend getting it if you don't have it. It's pretty cool for the collection. Anyway, so thanks for watching. If you like my video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe, share it with your friends. My big thing is I really want to get these miniature gun genre. I want it to grow, because the more it grows, the more little models the companies will make, and so it's a win-win for us. So anyhow, yeah, so thanks for watching. Peace.